So today we're going to be replacing the exhaust bracket on the BMW 320i. I recently got the exhaust welded, the AWE exhaust, but now we're getting a rattle, seems to be from the mid-pipe bracket. So I went ahead and picked up this aftermarket Mashimuro bracket. It has like an extra inch of clearance, so hopefully that should get rid of the annoying noise. All you're gonna need is a T45 Torx and an impact wrench. So it should take no longer than 5 to 10 minutes. And hopefully we should get rid of that annoying noise. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the stock piece. It's noticeably heavier, probably about 2 or 3 times the weight of the aftermarket one, and there's no clearance on it. I think that might have solved the problem. If we still got a rattle, then it's got to be something on that heat shield. All right, let's start it up and check it out. All right, that's all. Like I said, it took about 10 minutes. You just need that T45 and that impact wrench. Make sure you go on Google, do your research. You could definitely find some custom exhaust brackets for cheaper. I know I saw some for about $60, $80. Like I said, I spent about $160 on the Mashimuro one. Don't have to do that. But yeah, if you got an annoying exhaust rattle after maybe even upgrading the exhaust, just check that out. Y'all have a good one.